Welcome back to a Mr. Destroy Warriors YouTube video. You've seen the shorts, and also please watch my shorts. We're gonna plug this
It's gonna
in.
catch on fire. That's
Maybe.
the goal.
Oh! Do something. We need content. This is so scary. It's so scary. At any moment, that could go boom. We're trained professional. Colin's a trained professional. He's an engineer. You burned?
Okay, that's everything it's got.
Just keep pushing it in. Oh, I smell burning plastic. This is what not.
Okay, I'm done.
You done?
Yeah, it's starting to melt.
Really? Where?
Everywhere.
Oh, okay. I guess that's the end of the video, guys. Please like and subscribe to Mr.
Burning plastic comes off that.
Yeah. Please subscribe to Mr. The Destroyer Warrior YouTube channel.
You changed the name?
No, I mean Mr. Destroyer Warriors YouTube channel. I had to change the name. Yes, it's fixed. It's perfectly fixed. What are you gonna do with the battery? I want to KO that box. Can I kick the box?
No.
Okay, please like and subscribe to Mr. Destroyer Warriors YouTube channel. Same YouTube channel. Please watch my videos. Please watch my shorts. Bye.